All right, so we've got this little thing that is a Wi-Fi antenna, and this is an external Wi-Fi antenna. So what we've got to do today is we've got this beautiful barn area here in South Wales, and we've got to put this on the outside of the barn. You can just see the cable that's coming out there, and this will provide Wi-Fi for this area. So the client kind of rents out these small barns as a holiday let, and he would like the area to have Wi-Fi signal because there's no phone signal in the area. And with modern phones, people are going to have sort of Wi-Fi dial-in. So with one of these, it means that people can use their mobile phones out here, right out in the sticks. So this has to be set up and then put up on the side of the barn there. So we've already set it up via our mobile phone. So there's an app for this Ubiquiti external Wi-Fi access point, and you've set it up as a standalone. So I've already done that. So my next job is to get up there and just set this up. So I'm going to go do that. I'm going to try to walk up the ladder like I haven't got a bad knee. We've done that. So what I'm going to do now is attach to that Wi-Fi. So you can see ragnartech.org, and that's the new Wi-Fi. So I'll jump on to WiFiMan, and we will check the signal strength coming from ragnartech.org. So there we are. We're connected with 52 decibels of signal strength, which is really good. It's highlighted in green. So what we need to do now, that is up there. What we need to do is just walk around and make sure that our signal strength stays the same. So we're going to have a little walk around. There's a hot tub just up the corner here, and we want to see that we get Wi-Fi to that. So there we are. So from that Wi-Fi that's over there to here, we now have 71 decibels of signal strength, and it means that this area is covered in external Wi-Fi. So job's a good one.